Good evening, this is Ashish, register number UR15CS038. Today I'm going to explain you program related to Java. So the question states like this: create a solution for subject registration system using Java. So in this we have to create a class of 5 students. Each student need to be select 3 subjects from the allocated list. Allocated list are programming theory, Java programming lab, C++ theory, C++ lab, database theory, compile designer lab. So every student need to take 2 theory subject and 1 lab. If a student want to select a theory subject which is having lab, he or she need to select both. While subject selection, if a student subject selects a lab separately without theory, it will be allocated for the student. More than 3 subjects are not allowed for every student. So what are the constraints are that class and object need to be used, array can be used, get input, put in output methods can be need to be used in a program, or if the user want to give the input value as yes or no, solution need to be used, control statements can be used, and solution of this work can be verified at one student information with all possibilities constraint name, example name, register number. So finally student will be printed in a selected subjects. So now I'm going to show you the program. So the program starts like this. I have created a class called subject. In this a scanner, import java.util.scanner. So a scanner class scan new scanner system.in. Then I have created a string of name. Then new string, I have given a string size as 5. Similarly as register number for register number. Then for subjects, so subjects I have given as Java theory, Java lab, C++ theory, C++ lab, database theory, compiler theory, and integer option new integer of size 3. So I have given void get input method. In this, for I have given a condition for int I is equal to 0, I less than I plus plus, system.out.println is enter name, and name of I is equal to scan dot next line. So I'm given another condition as for I is equal to 0, I less than n I plus plus, system.out.println enter register number, and register number of I size is equal to scan dot next line. Similarly, system.out is for enter the option O is equal to scan of next input. So next integer. So if option 0 is equal to 1, or option 0 is equal to 2, then I'm given as if option 0 is equal to 1, option 1 is equal to 2, option 0 is equal to 2, and option 1 is equal to 1. So system.out.println is choices left are 3, 4, 5, 6. So option 2 is equal to, these are the choices for the subject registration. So often option 2 will be scan.next int, and if option 0 is equal to 3 and option 0 is equal to 4, then similarly option 0 is equal to 3, option 1 is equal to 4, and option 0 is equal to 4 and option 1 is equal to 3, then choices left will be 1, 2, 5, 6. At least student according to the question, student need to select more than 3 subjects are not allowed to select for the students. So I again use put output method. In this I've given as for int I is equal to 0, I less than a, I plus plus, then system dot out for output it will show as name, then register number, and the subject which is options. Then in void in main function, public static void main string arguments, then scan is equal to new scanner system.in. Then I've given as output as subjects Java programming theory, Java programming lab, C++ theory, C++ lab, database theory, compile designer theory, and how many students. And int a is equal to scan dot next input, and new subject, and put data, and scan get input and put data will be scanned. So now I'm gonna compile. So this is the output. It's coming. Subjects are Java theory, Java lab, and the C++ theory, C++ lab, database theory, compile designer. How many students? It is asking now how many students. I'm giving as 3. So enter the name. I have to enter the name. Suppose I am given as X, Y, Z. Again QWE. Again ASD. So enter the register number. Suppose I am giving as UR15CS001. UR15CS002 and UR15CS003. So enter the option. I have to give in the option. So I'm giving as 1. Choices left are 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm giving it as 3. So this is the name QWE. Register number is this. Java lab, C++ theory, C++ lab are being selected. For name ASD, register number is 3. Java lab, C++ theory, and C++ lab is being selected. And similarly, so register number 01, Java lab, C++ theory, and C++ lab is being selected. So this is the whole about the program for student management, which is given in the question. Thank you for